The UK Tier 2 sponsorship visa is a fantastic opportunity for skilled workers from Nepal. This visa allows you to live and work in the UK for a specific period. One of the biggest advantages is its potential for settlement. You may be eligible to apply for indefinite leave to remain after a certain number of years. This means you could eventually live and work in the UK permanently. Before you start dreaming about your life in the UK, it's crucial to understand the eligibility criteria for the UK Tier 2 sponsorship visa. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it might sound. First and foremost, you need a job offer from a UK company that holds a Tier 2 sponsorship license. This license shows that the company is approved by the UK government to employ skilled workers from overseas. Secondly, your job offer must meet specific requirements. The job must be in a skilled occupation listed on the UK's shortage occupation list. The salary offered should also meet the minimum salary requirements set by the UK government. You'll also need to prove your English language proficiency. This usually involves taking a secure English language test, or ESELT, approved by the UK Home Office. Lastly, you must demonstrate that you have enough funds to support yourself financially during your initial stay in the UK. Applying for a UK visa might seem daunting, but it's straightforward if you follow the steps. Let's break it down. Step 1. Secure a job offer and certificate of sponsorship. Find a UK company to sponsor your visa. They will issue a certificate of sponsorship. Step 2. Complete the online application form. Fill out the form accurately. Step 3. Pay the visa application fee. Pay the fee online. Step 4. Book your visa appointment. Schedule and attend your appointment. Step 5. Attend your visa interview. Bring all your documents and be prepared for questions. Section 4. Companies seeking talent, finding your UK sponsor. Finding a UK company willing to sponsor your Tier 2 visa is essential for a successful application. Fortunately, numerous companies in the UK are actively seeking skilled workers from Nepal. The technology sector is booming in the UK, with companies constantly searching for talented software developers, data analysts, and cybersecurity experts. Similarly, the healthcare industry is facing a shortage of qualified doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals. Engineering remains a strong sector in the UK, with opportunities for civil engineers, mechanical engineers, and electrical engineers. Financial services, education, and hospitality are other sectors where you might find sponsorship opportunities. You can explore job websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor to find UK companies actively hiring and willing to sponsor visas. Don't hesitate to contact recruitment agencies specializing in placing international candidates. Section 5. UKVI and UKVI IELTS, scoring your way to success. To prove your English language proficiency for the UK Tier 2 sponsorship visa, you'll need to take the UKVI IELTS test, specifically approved by the UK Visas and Immigration, UKVI. The UKVI IELTS test assesses your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills in English. You'll receive a score for each skill as well as an overall band score. The minimum score you need depends on the type of job you've been offered. For most jobs, you'll need at least a B1 level in the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR. This generally translates to an overall band score of 4 in the UKVI IELTS. Remember, achieving a good score in the UKVI IELTS significantly strengthens your visa application. It demonstrates your ability to communicate effectively in English, which is crucial for living and working in the UK. Section 6. Getting it right the first time. Tips for a smooth application. Applying for a UK visa requires careful attention to detail. Here are some valuable tips to help you avoid common mistakes and ensure a smooth application process. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute to begin your application. Starting early gives you ample time to gather documents, book appointments, and address any unforeseen issues. Double-check everything. Before submitting your application, review every detail meticulously. Ensure all information is accurate, consistent with your supporting documents, and error-free. Translate documents. If any of your supporting documents are not in English, have them professionally translated. Provide both the original and translated versions with your application. Be organized. keep all your documents, receipts, and correspondence related to your visa application organized in a safe place. This will make it easier for you to track your application and provide any required information promptly. Seek professional guidance. If you're unsure about any aspect of the visa application process, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance from a qualified immigration advisor. Section 7. Your UK journey begins. Taking the next step. The UK Tier-2 sponsorship visa offers an incredible opportunity for skilled individuals from Nepal to pursue their career aspirations in the United Kingdom. With its potential pathway to settlement, this visa can be your gateway to a fulfilling life in one of the world's most diverse and dynamic countries. Remember, the key to a successful application lies in understanding the eligibility criteria, carefully following the application process, and presenting a well-prepared case. By following the steps outlined in this guide and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can increase your chances of securing your Tier-2 visa and embarking on an exciting new chapter in the UK. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start exploring your options, connect with potential employers, and take the first step towards realizing your UK dream.